Hello, welcome to my channel. In this video, we will show you some kitchen gadgets which will make your life easy and fast. So let's start. Number 1. It is a vegetable cutter which is used to cut vegetables in unique designs. Which helps to keep three different things together. Number 5. It is also a very important gadget. It is used in daily life. Number 6 is a very beautiful gadget. It is used to cook the egg in different shapes. If you want to buy this product, please tell me in the comment section. This is a plastic bag so that you can seal every plastic bag with it. We have a dumpling maker on 11th number. Number 12 is also a vegetable cutter. Number 13 is a fruit or vegetable peel. It is a multifunctional gadget. It is also a vegetable cutter. Number 15. It is also a multi-vegetable cutter. This is a vegetable popper. It is very easy to use. The manual garlic and this is all about my video. If you like the video, then press the like button and the subscribe button, and also press the bell icon. Thanks.